Hey, good morning, everybody. It's Bobby from Bobby's Hobbies, and we're down here on the layout. It happens to be my birthday, so I'm enjoying myself, and I'm running my homemade super duper cleaning car, and I've set it to high drag, and that's because I've got two bolts on it that raises or lower the weight. It has a scouring pad, and the scouring pad is actually a big piece of carpet felt. Now, I hear a derailment. See that? It's derailed and it's still dragging it because I got two powerful engines. Oh, yeah, yeah. I can see this stuff. Oh, yeah. That is a definite derail drag. I don't know if I could reach this. Just out of reach. Even on the other side, it's out of reach. And I don't have a stepping stool around here, so I used to. Oh, there it is. Let me get that stepping little chair. Ta-da! That should increase the range of my reach enough. And it's a pretty strong chair, gotta tell you. Don't need to break that. Right. Okay. Oh, there? Yeah. All right. Let me see now. Hopefully, that's on. I got other cleaning cars, but this thing really works. It's set to heavy drag, though. See those big bolts. All right. Now on the other train, the other big main line of the mountains, I've got the one of the cleaning cars. Why is that cleaning car going so slowly? Oh, I got that guzzler. I love it, diaphragm, but man, that eats up a lot of juice. Probably had the heavy duty cleaning car on that before. Let me grab this one. Oh, see that? The mouse. I gotta fix that. All right, I'll be back.